So here's an electric fireplace, and this one here, as you can see, it's pretty narrow compared to a gas one. And if you want to get closer, they have these fake logs, just like the gas one has fake logs, and it'll have the brick on the sides. Again, if you're super picky about the real look, these ones don't look as real as the gas one, but they're both fake because none of those logs are real. However, on the back side of this, there are going to be some fake flames that show up to emulate the look of a gas fireplace, and they will push out some heat over here. If you look really closely, there's a heating element right here, so this will push some heat into the room. And so this is an electric fireplace. It's controlled by a remote, so there's no battery in it probably, but you basically, actually they're probably dead batteries. But anyway, what you do with these, you just get it scheduled and set the way you want to do it. I don't think there's a schedule, but you can just adjust the heat temperature, the flame, the lights, everything inside. And then back here, you can see it's a plug-in. So let's see if we can. Oh, there it goes. We can turn it on. There's the heat, and we're kind of in a bright area right here by the front door. But this is a good way to see what it looks like. So sorry, the reflection probably makes it hard. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can turn it on and off right here, these buttons. So you can make the flame dimmer or all the way off. So this is the brightest, and then it dims down. And this right here would be a gas one. And so you can see how wide this is right here. It's probably about 16 inches or so. That one is more like 12. And this one can be vented through the top or through the back, depending on your existing venting. The biggest drawback with this one is that your existing tile or whatever surround finishing you have, you may have wood or drywall, it usually comes down to here. So a lot of this is covered, and then on the sides you're going to have tile that goes all around. So all of that tile surround has to be removed. So this can be taken out. And then there are these tabs right here on the side, and these tabs screw to the studs into the framing in your wall. So we basically have to remove quite a few inches of your tile, get to these screws, remove them, yank this box out, and put the new one back in. So that's what you have to imagine when it comes to fireplace replacements. And there's options for remote controls. Some of them are thermostatic, some of them are just on and off, some of them have timers. And then down below, usually you'll have the option for a blower, so it blows heat off the top, and this would be gas, and then the other one is electric. So those are a few differences, just in short, between these. So if you want to consider that, I will also say that this, in order to work, requires power. This one doesn't require power in order to work, so you can have this one. Basically, if there's a power outage, you can have some backup heat coming from it. Another thing to keep in mind, these ones, you can turn the heating element on and off. So if you don't want it to put out heat, it doesn't have to. You can just have the nice fake flames in the background. This one right here, anytime it's on, it's going to put out heat. You can adjust how much, just slightly, but if it's not very cold outside, this will make it too hot in the room. So you may not be able to keep it on as long as you want to. That's about it. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'd be happy to help you out. 360-398-9400, and I prefer text if you can. Thank you.